Hello guys! Welcome muli sa aming channel. As I mentioned sa my previous video, from Sinvan Lake, we're going to straight in Drumheller. It took us 1 hour and 53 minutes to reach Drumheller. At habang nasa daan guys, makikita mo na agad yung kakaibang scenery. And look guys, ang daming hills na parang mountain, mini mountain. Tapos yung kulay ng lupa kakaiba siya, para siyang reddish brown. At eto nga, nag-stop over muna kami sa picnic site. Habang inaantay namin ang iba na mga kasamahan na sila Abigail. Dahil na traffic daw sila sa bandang city. And if you look around, this place is too unique. They called Canadian Badlands. And after almost 2 hours travel, finally we reach here in museum. Oh, Bea, look at here, Queen.
Queen.
And this place is too amazing. From the entrance, mararamdaman mo na talaga yung kakaibang ambience. Para kang nasa time machine na bumalik ka sa panahon ng mga dinosaurs. At sa first hall pa lang, mapapawaw ka na talaga. And for the entrance fee, kids below 7 years old will be free. 7 and above until 14, I think. It's $10, and for adult, $21 if I'm not mistaken. And from the entrance, makikita mo na agad yung mga giants, fossils, and skeletons ng mga dinosaurs na milyon-milyon taon nang nakakaraan. Imagine, ito talaga yung totoong mga buto ng dinosaurs na nahanap dito sa Alberta mismo. And the amazing thing is, hindi lang sila display. Detailed talaga at may story bawat isa. Kung paano sila nabuhay before. But of course, hindi mawawala ang star ng museum, ang T-Rex. It's really huge. Ang laki-laki niya. Grabe, parang buhay na buhay pa rin.
Look this side.
And also, you can find here the Triceratops na may 3 sungay. At yung mismong Albertosaurus na unique sa Alberta. Nakaka-proud lang isipin na dito mismo na-discover ang mga fossils nito. It's really amazing that they show the whole history before, not only fossils.
Why they keep it closed?
Ano naman yan?
Dinosaur din yan.
Parang katawan.
Just the bone, neck bone.
And hindi lang mga skeleton na makikita dito. Meron ding mga large sizes models and dioramas kung saan pinapakita kung paano nabuhay ang mga dinosaurs, paano sila kumain, saan sila nag-roam, at kung anong environment meron before. And as you can see guys in the video, yung mga skeleton nila para siyang mga very hard na wood. Nakarin.
Alala mo tayo. Alala mo tayo.
Kita. And there's also a preparation lab where you can find all the equipment that they used before when they digging or they dig the skeletons here in Badlands.
They assemble it.
Small raptor.
This one? Oh.
Yeah. There. The blue. Very long tail.
Taurus? Okay, start now. Don't see it. Oh, look, this one there. Oh.
Look at Queen. Look at it.
Queen, Abby. Oh, yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at here. Guys. George. Saan na lang ako mag-picture?
Nagul na, oh.
Oo, diba? Crocodile?
That's
I don't want to read. I don't read. Ay, Georgia! Abi, babe, dali, go to the daddy phone. Kita, kaya nita mo sa katapangag na ila, pen. Okay, smile. Smile. You stand up properly. Oh, let's go. Come on. Oh, my hands. Look, Belle. Look at the bone. Wait, look at the bone. Ganyan, sister. Okay, mommy. Mom. Imagine natin makanyal.
Kaya nga, eh. May interactive section din. Dito, kids and families can try fossils digging, touch some real specimens, and use interactive screen para maintindihan ng science behind it.
Resurfacing 500 million years later as the fossils of the British Shale.
That's why it's not only for educational purposes, but super fun din, especially for the kids.
yeah.
Coming! Where are you, please? I know that's already.
And there's also a leg of the dinosaur where you can check your height according to the skeleton. Bitis siya, Bel, yung buto. Picture lang. Then, after mo mag-tour sa loob, you can go also outside that you can see the view of Badlands. Ang ganda na rock formation niya. Parang giant natural playground. Perfect spot to just to relax or take a pictures. Imagine dito tumatakbo yung mga dinosaur before. So, if you're going to visit Canada, especially Alberta, don't miss it to visit this museum. It's really worth it. So, ayun guys, that's our trip to Royal Trailer Museum. Ang dami naming natutunan. Ang sobrang nakaka-amaze na makita yung mga dinosaurs so close. Even though hindi natin siya naabutan, pero kapag nasa loob ka ng museum, mararamdaman mo talaga yung kakaibang ambience. Thank you guys for joining us today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para masamahan nyo kami sa susunod naming adventure. See you next time. Bye!
And don't forget to share this with your family or your mom or your friends. Click the